PurePort Multi-Tool iPhone Cleaning Kit, Clean Repair Restore iPhone and iPad ports, Lightning cables connectors, fix unreliable charging bad connections, extend the life of your Apple devices. Extend the life of your Apple devices. Tired of annoying, unreliable connections when charging your devices? If you're having trouble getting your iPhone, iPad, or AirPods to charge properly, its Lightning port and charging cable might need cleaning. PurePort safely cleans, restores, and revives damaged ports and charging cables to eliminate unreliable connections. Fix unreliable charging and bad connections. The PurePort multi-tool is the complete solution to keep your iPhone, iPad, AirPods, Lightning cables, and accessories clean and connecting flawlessly, inside and out. Clean and revive Lightning ports. Use tools 1, 2, and 3 to clean out those nasties from your iPhone or iPad Lightning port. Clear lint, hair, fluff, dust, oils, and other contaminants from the charging port. Extend and protect the life of your beloved Apple products. Don't use a needle or pushpin that could damage your devices. Restore cable connectors. Use tools 4 and 5 with the PurePort cleaning solution to restore connectivity and make your charging cables and accessories function like new by removing contaminants and repairing arcing/oxide damaged, blackened pins by applying the included PurePort cleaning solution. Clean speakers, earpieces, switches. Use tool 6 to brush lint, dust, and fluff from your device's speakers, microphone, earpiece, and switches, and the premium quality, lint-free, microfiber cloth for surface cleaning. The Essential Cleaning Maintenance Multi-Tool Kit. Just because your device or cable isn't functioning properly doesn't mean you should toss it away. The PurePort multi-tool can help it work like new. Intermittent connectivity. Unreliable charging, no matter how much you wiggle the cable. Slow or no charging. Loose connectors. Cables feel loose when connected, no click when inserting cable. Arcing/oxide damage. Blackened pins and damage on connectors, blocking a reliable connection. Unexpected warnings. Even with legitimate Apple cables and accessories. The cause. Apple's Lightning connector, with its exposed pins, is prone to contamination from lint, tissue, hair, even the oil on fingers. Once nasties get inside, they stick around, causing annoying connectivity issues and damaging your cables, accessories, and port. The solution. PurePort multi-tool. The Essential Cleaning Maintenance Multi-Tool for iPhone and iPad. Solve intermittent connectivity problems, revive damaged cable connectors, and extend the life of your iPhone or iPad and accessories with PurePort. Keep debris, corrosion, and gunk out of your Lightning ports, switches, microphone, speakers, and off your connectors. How it works. Clears contamination, dust, lint, hair, skin oil from iPhone, iPad Lightning ports. Cleans and revives connectors on cables and accessories. Clean speakers, microphone, switches. 6 tools in 1 compact multi-tool, plus cleaning solution and microfiber surface cloth. Extend the life of your devices with PurePort. Use the PurePort multi-tool to clean out those nasties from your iPhone or iPad Lightning port. Once the port is clean, your battery issues and charging problems should never come back. Tools 1 to 3, clean revive Lightning ports. Clear lint, hair, fluff, dust, oils, and other contaminants from iPhone and iPad Lightning ports. Tools 4-5, restore cable connectors. Clean and restore connectivity to your cables and accessories. Apply the included PurePort cleaning solution to repair arcing/oxide damaged, blackened pins on connectors and restore conductivity. Tool 6 Plus Surface Cloth. Brush lint and fluff from your device's speakers, microphone, earpiece, and switches. Lint-free microfiber cloth included for surface cleaning.